Everyone, today I am here to explain the concept of moles of class 11th. As we know that 1 dozen is equal to 12 bananas. Similarly, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units. Whenever you have to given 1 mole of atom, then it means if 1 mole of atom is given, 1 mole of atom, then it means we have 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. The actual meaning of 1 mole of atom is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And if we have 1 mole of molecules, then it means 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. What is this? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is known as Avogadro number. So by this notations we can find out the number of moles. I am going to write 3 formulas of finding number of moles, and these are as follows. Number 1, number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass. Second is number of moles is equal to volume in liter at STP upon 22.4 liter. And third one is number of moles is equal to molecules given upon 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Sometimes we can this 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 can also be written as 6 into 10 to the power 23 units. In the approximation, when we use approximation, then we can write this Avogadro number like this. So by these formulas we can find out the number of moles. Now I am going to solve some questions. If we have question number 1, if we have 92 gram of sodium, then find out the mole, number of moles. If we have 92 gram of sodium, then find out the number of moles present in 92 gram of sodium. So by this formula, here mass is given, so we can use this formula, number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass. So we can apply this formula, number of moles is equal to mass given, which is 92, upon molar mass, and molar mass of sodium is 23. So finally the answer will be 23 4s are 92, means 4 moles. So finally we can say that in 92 gram of sodium 4 moles are present. And if question is arises, one more question is added in this question, that find out the atoms in 92 gram of sodium. Find out the atoms in 92 gram of atoms. So we know that 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 units, or 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So in 4 moles, if 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, so similarly 4 mole contain 4 mole contain 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And by this calculation, we can find out the number of atoms present in 4 mole of sodium or 92 gram of sodium. These are the atoms present in 4 mole of sodium, or we can say that 92 gram of sodium. And the next question is, find out the if we have 92 gram of ammonia, sorry, 68 gram of ammonia. If we have 68 gram of ammonia, then find out the number of moles and also find out the number of atoms present in it. Now you can solve this question by using formula number 1. Number 1 is number of moles is equal to mass given, which is 68 upon molar mass. Now we can calculate the molar mass like this: NH3. The mass of sodium is mass of nitrogen is 14, and mass of hydrogen is 1. Here 3 hydrogen is present, that's why 14 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we can say that molar mass of ammonia is 17. 17 4 ja 28. So we can say that in the 68 gram of ammonia 4 moles are present, and similarly we can solve the number of atoms present in 68 gram of ammonia or 4 moles of ammonia. Now you are noting that in 4 mole of sodium 24.088 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are present, and similarly in 68 gram of ammonia 4 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are present, which is equal to number of atoms of sodium also. Now you can note down this. Next question is, find out the number of moles present in 68 liter of CO2. Now here volume is given, not mass is given. Here volume is given, so we use formula number 2 because volume is given. So we can find out the number of moles by this formula. Number of moles is equal to volume. Volume is 68 and 22 upon 22.4 at STP. So number of mole we can calculate. We can find out the formula. Here will be about 3 moles. When we can calculate by the approximation, then we get approx 3 moles of CO2 present in 68 liter of CO2. Now similarly we can find out the number of atoms present in 68 liter of CO2. If we have 3 moles and 1 mole contains 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, so we can find out the number of atoms present in 68 liter of CO2, which is 3 into number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. And Now, if molecules are given, next question is, if you have 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules, then find out the moles. So now we can use formula number 3 to solve this numerical. Number of moles is equal to molecules given, and molecules are given 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules. 18 into 10 to the power 24 upon, now here we can write down by the approximation. So 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 can also be written as 6 into 10 to the power 23 units. Because it will be easier to solve the question. 6 3 is 18. Now here we have 3 into 10 is equal to 30 moles. So we can find the molecules of O2. If we have 18 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of O2, then find out the number of moles. So by using this formula, we can find out the number of moles by using this technique. Please note down. Now here is one more interesting question is, if you have 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules, then find out molecules of O2. Very much interesting question it is. Find out the mass of oxygen and also volume of oxygen. Volume of oxygen. If you have 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules of oxygen, then find out the mass of oxygen and volume of oxygen. So how we can find out the mass of oxygen and volume of oxygen? By using, if we convert, firstly we have to convert 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules into moles, and now moles, with the help of mole we can calculate the mass and volume also of oxygen. Now I am here to solve the question. (18 into 10 to the power 24) is equal to, is upon 6 into 10 to the power 23. Finally we get 3 into 10 equal 30 moles. Now we have 30 moles. With the help of these moles we can find out the mass of oxygen and volume of oxygen. How can we solve? The formula is number of moles is equal to mass upon molar mass. Number of moles is given 30 moles, and now mass of oxygen we have to find out, and the molar mass of oxygen O2 is 32. So mass is equal to 30 into 32 960 gram. Mass of oxygen is. So by this notation we can understand that in 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules 960 gram of oxygen is present. And now last, volume. How can we find out the volume? Number of moles is equal to volume upon 22.4. Number of moles is given, which is 30, and volume we can find out 22.4. So volume is equal to 30 into 22.4, and we can calculate the answer by this technique. So by this notation we can find out that in 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules the mass of oxygen is 960 gram and into 18 into 10 to the power 24 molecules, the volume of oxygen can be calculated by this method. Firstly, we have to convert molecules into moles, and with the help of moles